Okay, we shall compile a list of tried and true tactics to help you screen share Mac with iPad or the other way around. And let's get right to the point now. Part 1. Screen share Mac with iPad via Sidecar. Press the AirPlay icon on your Mac's menu bar. Choose your iPad's name. Link your iPad to your Mac via USB cord and tap Start to unlock. Scroll through different options and controls on sidebar to start the screen mirroring from Mac to iPad. Part 2. Share Mac screen with iPad via VSE Viewer. Mac. System Preferences, Sharing. Check Remote Login, File Sharing, and Screen Sharing. Screen Sharing Computer Settings. Enable VSE Control. Set Password. Tap OK. iPad. Connect to Mac's Wi-Fi. iPad. App Store. Get Mocha Lite. Open. Go to Configuration New. Fill config with server address, user ID and password. Find VSE server address. Choose Mac. Go to Connect tab. Select Mac. Access control options via small arrow bottom right on iPad. Part 3. Share iPad screen on Mac via AirPlay. Mac. System Preferences, Sharing. Enable AirPlay receiver and screencasting. iPad. Open Control Center. Mirror screen to Mac. Accept Mac pop-up to start sharing. Part 4. Share iPad screen to MacBook with Reflector. Install Reflector on Mac. Mac and iPad on same Wi-Fi. Open Reflector on Mac. iPad. Control Center. Screen mirroring. Select AirPlay destination to mirror iPad to Mac. Part 5. Screen share iPad to MacBook with AirDroid Cast. Install AirDroid Cast on iPad and PC. Mac. Run program. Click WLAN. iPad. Open app. Scan QR code or enter cast code. Connect. Enable Mac permissions. iPad. Tap Start Now to project screen to Mac. Part 6. Share iPad screen to Mac via QuickTime Player. Attach your iPad to your Mac through a USB cable. Run QuickTime on the Mac and tap the File menu. Opt for New Screen Recording. Choose your iPad from the full list of devices. Select the Record button and start screencasting your iPad to Ma.